Hey, it's Jim Parr here, and we're going to teach you step by step on how to build your SaaS business right in front of your eyes. So we're going to go through every step. We're going to even give you a snapshot. If you leave a comment below with your information, how we get a hold of you, I'm going to offer you a free snapshot, which will allow you to start your own SaaS business, have everything that you see that we're building here, and then you can just download it, import it, and bam, you customize it, and you're good as gold. So what is a SaaS business? Let's address that, because some of you know, some of you don't. But if you're searching it, likely you know what it is. So here we are in the back end of the software that we're going to have a link below that you can get for free for 14 days. We might even be able to give you a 30-day trial. And that means that you can start making money right away and not have to pay for the software right away. So wouldn't that be cool? You get your first customer paying you $4.97 and you paid for the software right away. So this is the back end of the dashboard of our SaaS, and we call it Sproutify. It's built on the GoHighLevel platform, which gives you an incredible amount of offerings and features, which means you can build funnels, membership pages like Kajabi. They can do their constant contact, email campaigns, calendars, invoicing, workflows. They can even do AI, social planning. You know, if you looked at these in a whole, you would be paying for email marketing at least $100 a month, text campaign $100 a month. You literally, you can build unlimited funnels, WordPress sites, Wix sites, and we're going to do this, which is really cool. We're going to build the SaaS company right in front of you and show you how it's built. But you can see what you get, valuing at least $1,400 for just $297 per month. But if you want to do the SaaS, it's $497 a month. So that just means you need one customer or a couple small customers paying you $197 a month, and you paid for everything. You pay one fee, you get 100 customers, and you're making all that profit. Nobody else gets that profit. That goes in your pocket. So let's get into building this right away. So as I said, I've never done this live on a video, but we're going to show you how to build a SaaS company right step by step here. So we're in our agency dashboard in our SaaS software, and you can see the pricing that we charge for it and what we offer. Just this Google My Business messaging is the coolest feature around. It allows a company to sell to a company, and they never miss a call again. They get if somebody doesn't answer, they get an automatic text back and an AI chatbot that comes in and carries on a conversation, schedules a service call or whatever. So it's just one feature that you can offer. But let's go in, and we're going to create a new sub account. So we're just going to go in, and we're going to call this, we'll go into sub accounts. We're going to create a new sub account, and this is going to be our SaaS sub account. This is my agency demo site is what we call this. So I'm going to use one of my imported snapshots, and we're going to do the SaaS website and onboarding. And then we've got to type in some information. We're just going to add this manually, and we're just going to call this 123 SaaS. We've got to put in some information here because it's not going to let me go past this. Let me pause this real quick so that I don't bore you, and I'll get this punched in. So we put in some quick information. We're going to save this. So we have set up a company called 123 SaaS. We can offer rebilling, servicing, and charge whatever we want. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to that account that we called 123 SaaS Company on Easy Street. And we're going to go into sites and see what it's set up for me. I don't have a phone number set up in here yet, but I can do that very easily. So we go into sites and we're going to look in here. So we have a professional plan, essential plan under funnels. So we got 2 funnels already set up in this. And then under website, we can see we've got a SaaS website. It's got 15 pages already built in, just in a matter, I think we're into this for 2 minutes right now. So we have an AI follow-up, we got pricing, we got listings, we got a demo, we got privacy policy, affiliates, web chat, and did I tell you you can hire your own affiliates and give them a commission, and you don't even have to do anything. You just click on it, enable it, and set it up. So we're going to look at this homepage real quick because this just built out based on this plan here. And as I said, leave a comment below if you want this and just say, I want this. And then I'll reach out to you and message you to do this. So all we do here is go in and basically we need to put in a logo, but it's acquire customers on autopilot. That sounds good. And then we go down here and we look at the different services that it offers. So you're selling your software that does online reviews, messaging, web chat, payments, invoicing, missed text call. It's a full CRM. It's automated online for reviews. A company can send out an invoice. It automatically sends them a review. And that Google missed call back is a cool feature, but you can grow your audience. It integrates with all of these, and that is true. And then they can book a demo with you or even watch a demo. So if you click on watch a demo, I don't know if that goes anywhere, but yes, it does. And it actually has a video in there on this software, and it goes through. It looks like the video in here already is almost a 6-minute video. So thanks for watching. We'll be in touch to see how 123 SaaS Company gets started today. So when we say get started today, let's see if that goes anywhere. I think we got to link that to a calendar, but it may have a calendar already built in. Nope, it actually goes to the pricing plan, and then you just set these up. So it's got the first one already built in there, up to 3 team members, and then you can build out the other ones. So it's got a lot of different features in here, and we're going to offer this for free if you want this. And then it's even got your affiliate tiers, so that if somebody wants to become an affiliate with $50 a month recurring commission on all referrals, it's got all your content. You can customize it. It even has some of your products, and you can even add more products if you want. I say start out little and go big. So that is what's really cool. Let's look at the funnels that it built out for us. And it should even have some automations in there, so we'll look at that. So essential plan, here's the funnel. We'll look at this, and you can customize this. I guess I didn't click on that link. There we go. You can customize these pricing plans. We do ours 97, 197, and 497. So as they come in, you offer them just a few features for $97 a month, but this is a funnel that will connect to your Stripe account. That's one thing that you'll want to integrate, and you can integrate Stripe really easily on the back end of this. So that's really cool. So under products here, we just integrate our products into this, and we just say add a product. We can search for products and then add that product directly from Stripe and put it in there. Then you get paid, ching ching, money in your pocket. What a deal. So let's look at the automations and see if it brought in some automations into this. Well, it did. It brought in a number of automations. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 5 of them here. So it gave us an appointment calendar main website. It gave us a chat widget notification, which I didn't see if there was a chat widget in the bottom of this, but maybe there is and we just don't have it turned on. But it gave us an essential plan sign up. We saw that one. So if somebody signs up, let's just look at one of these. So they signed up for a professional plan, and then it'll give us the automation. So the order form was submitted. It signs to a user. We get an internal notification saying that, hey, John Doe just signed up for the professional plan. Make sure they get onboarded. And then it sends a text to that person. Congratulations, you just signed up for the professional plan. Check your email for the login and tutorial videos. So it literally has everything in here, your automations, everything that you need to get started. And if we look at, let's look at, we did the automations. Let's look at some of the other things. See if it did any emails, any templates or campaigns. We don't have, it's probably under templates because you've got to set up your campaigns. And I don't see anything in there yet, but those are easy to set up. You just reply, and so if you're doing any email marketing, you can set up your payments in here automatically, your calendars in here. And I would assume that it added a calendar. So it's got an appointment calendar already set up. So if somebody books an appointment, it'll go into that. And you can set that if you even want to do an onboarding calendar and charge a fee for onboarding, you can do that also. So everything is literally in here. And let's just look at opportunities and pipelines. So if we go into pipelines, we can create and set up our first pipeline in there so that as somebody comes in as a new lead and they become a customer, you can start emailing through an automation campaign. So there is a ton in here. There's probably forms in here, and but I'm not going to go into all the details here, but you can get going, get this started, and start making money in, I would say, conservatively in 10 days. But if you want to get going and you really dive deep into this, there's no reason you can't in the first 7 days. So remember, the links are below. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification if you want my other videos. And I do have a 6-hour tutorial on my YouTube channel. So if you're looking to get into social media marketing agency or just digital marketing, check out that video. It's some really cool stuff. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and I do answer personally. So take care. Thanks for watching.